Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's going to be the first video in my fall Halloween themed videos that I'm going to be posting throughout October. So for today's video, it's going to be a fall Q&A, just talking about my favorite things about fall and everything like that. So if you want to see this Q&A, please keep watching. First question is my favorite fall drink, and I would say it's definitely gotta be hot chocolate. I think I do love like the whole pumpkin drinks and like, you know, like a pumpkin iced latte or like iced coffee, like that's so yummy. But for me, like I just love to have a hot chocolate and snuggle up and watch Halloween movies. So I would definitely probably say hot chocolate like day to day, but like in terms of taste, it'd probably be like a pumpkin spiced iced coffee. My favorite fall month is obviously October. Halloween, the weather in October. In Canada, we have our Thanksgiving in October, so it's definitely my, there's a fly, but October is definitely my favorite fall month. My favorite fall recipe is definitely pumpkin bread, which I will put the link up on my channel. That was the first time I actually had made pumpkin bread, and it's now my favorite recipe for fall because it's honestly so delicious. This fly. Pumpkin or apple? Definitely pumpkin. I really am not a big fan of apple, to be honest. Like apple pie I'm not a fan of. I would much rather pumpkin pie. Yeah, so I'm definitely pumpkin all the way. Jean jacket or a cozy sweater? Definitely a cozy sweater, but if I am going out, I probably would do a jean jacket. But day to day, I would take a cozy sweater over a jean jacket any day. My favorite thing about fall would definitely have to be Halloween. Seeing all the Thanksgiving and Halloween decorations on people's houses and in the stores gets me so hyped for the season. And definitely the weather. The fall weather is by far my favorite weather. I love to just wear a light sweater, a light cardigan, and just to go for long walks. It's my absolute favorite. My favorite Halloween costume that I've ever dressed up as, definitely, I probably would say Minnie Mouse. I was Minnie Mouse in grade 7, and then a pumpkin. And my mom dressed me up as a pumpkin in like kindergarten, and it was so cute, the pictures. So I don't think I have a picture of the pumpkin, but I will put a picture up of the Minnie Mouse. It was a really simple outfit, but to me it was just adorable, so I really did like that one. My favorite Thanksgiving dessert and food. So my favorite Thanksgiving dessert is hands down pumpkin pie. I could eat a whole pumpkin pie to myself. And my favorite Thanksgiving food, I would say, is probably stuffing. I honestly never ate stuffing for like the longest time. And then one year I was like, you know what, let me try this. And now I'm like obsessed with it. Corn maze or a haunted house? Definitely a haunted house. I actually hate scary things. Like I will never watch a horror movie. I think I've only watched one horror movie in my life. It was Insidious. I can do like a thriller movie, but a horror movie, no. I get so scared. I'm such a chicken. But I really do enjoy haunted houses. I just feel like it really gives the whole Halloween experience. Even though I won't watch the movies, I definitely am down to go for a haunted house, and I'm down to do corn mazes too. Like I'm down to do anything in the fall, but I do like a haunted house better than a corn maze. Halloween or Thanksgiving? Definitely Halloween, because I love dressing up. My family personally doesn't really do anything too special for Halloween, Thanksgiving. My mom's side doesn't actually really celebrate it. We just feel like every day we should be thankful for each other. But my dad's side does celebrate it. So we just do like a family dinner over at my grandma's house every Thanksgiving. So I actually really do look forward to that, because I do like when everybody gets down together and eats. My grandma cooks a big turkey, even though I don't eat turkey, but yeah, it's just like I just love Thanksgiving, and I love when the whole family gets together, and that's really special to me. But I definitely do take Halloween because I love the dressing up, I love the trick-or-treating, I love handing candy out, like I love all of that, carving pumpkins, everything. I'm like obsessed. Oh, and something that I'm grateful for, I am hands down so thankful for my family. Honestly, I feel like a lot of people say that, but I truly like don't know where I would be without my family. I just love them. Like, you know, I'm so thankful for my siblings, I'm so thankful for my parents. Yeah, I really truly am so thankful for my family, and I love them all so much. This is it for the fall Q&A. It was just some basic questions. I guess it did kind of help you guys get to know me a little bit better. But please make sure to stay tuned for my next videos. I do have a lot of fun Halloween videos coming up. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll be back with another video.